Hi, welcome to our new tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create a stunning product gallery using the Essential Grid Gallery app. Let's get started. We're on the Essential Grid Gallery dashboard. Now, click the Create Gallery from Template button. Select Products from the left menu. There are many beautiful product gallery templates available. You can try these out for your store. Now we're using this one. Click the plus icon, then click the Install Grid button. Click the Open Imported Gallery. Our product is displayed perfectly on this template. Remember to save your gallery after importing the template. Let's publish it to our Shopify store. Our product gallery is now displaying on the storefront. Now, click the Save button. Let's check it on the live preview. The product gallery is nicely displayed on the storefront. We're adding a product to the cart to check if it's working properly. Now, we'll customize our gallery skin. Go to the Skin tab. Click on the selected skin. Now click the Edit Skin icon. This is our skin editor, where you can customize the gallery skin. You can customize your button elements. There are plenty of options available. You can add elements like Add to Cart, Stock Information, Price, and more here. Next, we drag the button elements and place them on the bottom. Click Save Skin button to save your changes. Let's go back to our grid settings. You can see that our Add to Cart button has moved from the top to the bottom. We're saving our gallery changes to ensure everything is working correctly. Let's check it in the live preview. We are reloading our page. Our updated gallery is displaying perfectly on this page. Now, we'll change the color of our Add to Cart button. Let's go back to the dashboard and navigate to the skin editor as we did before. We're in the skin editor. Scroll down a bit. Go to the Style tab. Plenty of skin customization options are available, feel free to try them out for your gallery. Go to the Background tab. We're changing our button color using the color palette. Remember to save your skin changes. Let's check our skin changes in the live preview. Our Add to Cart button color has been successfully updated. This is how you can easily customize your gallery skin. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing your next video. Thank you for watching.